Choo choo, homies. So, long time no see, and welcome to basically my very first time of unboxing some stuff. So if this looks super professional, you know why. I received a box from GitHub. Nice little box with lots of monas on it. I love monas. And yeah, I'm curious what's in it. I received this one because I recently became a GitHub star, and this is supposedly containing my gifts, star swag gifts or something like that. And I was told it was safe to open this on camera. So let's try and see what's inside. Where does it start? Here we go. Some kind of packing slip. Can throw that out. Beautiful card. A little note. Thank you for the tremendous work that you do in the community by inspiring, educating, and influencing all those around you. You are a true star. Super cool. By the GitHub team. Thank you. So let's see what's in it. First of all, star t-shirt. My daughter is watching behind the camera. She's like, it's too big for you, honey. Cool. I love that little star. Stickers and pins. Beautiful star stickers and star pins. These will go on my backpack and on my laptop, by the way. Super cool. The star's cap. You can't close your mouth now. It's still behind the camera, but the star's cap. GitHub t-shirts, not a GitHub t-shirt. A whole bunch of GitHub t-shirts. That's cool. 1, 2, they're all the same. Different sizes even. Weigh a bunch of these. Look at that. Super cool. Let's put them next to it. Some stickers. Big pack actually. And some more stickers. Another big pack. Oh, I love these mono stickers. Some of them I don't have yet. And another pack of stickers. So if you run into me, I got GitHub stickers. Oh, this looks like a big Mona. A big Mona. I love Mona. This is so cool. Yeah, you like it? Yeah? Maybe likes it. Mona, what's this? I guess you like this. These are for you. Little star earrings. This will look great on you, Lily. Look at that. Beautiful. A hoodie? A GitHub star hoodie. So cool. Thank you. And there's another box in here. What the hell is this? It's the last item though. How do we open this? Yeah, I like that. A GitHub mug. That's awesome. So, that was in my package today. A lot of t-shirts, a bunch of stickers that I'm definitely going to share with a lot of people. And yeah, star swag. Amazing. Thank you so much, GitHub. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And till next time. Choo choo, homies.